It's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's TikTok tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a Q&A to your bio on TikTok. It's very easy to do and will take no time at all, but before we do get into that, if you guys go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, that would mean a ton. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first thing you want to do is go onto your profile page and then hit the 3 lines at the top. Then it will bring you to your settings and privacy, and you want to select manage account. On this page, you will see the option either switch to creator account or switch to business account. If it says switch to business account, you don't have to do anything. If it says switch to a creator account, you just want to click that and then click the type of content creation you are making. Once that's done, you can go back to the settings and privacy page where you'll see the creator tools option. If it doesn't pop up immediately, you can refresh your app by shutting it down and turning it back on. In this creator tools portal, you will see the Q&A option. You just want to select that and then select turn on Q&A. Go back to your profile page and you guys should see the Q&A option in your bio. I hope this was quick and easy, right to the point. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more TikTok related content, and have yourselves a good one. Peace. See ya later.